everyone, welcome back to my channel Sunbird Tarot where insights take flight. So today we are going to look into the reading of my dear Capricorns, and it is an earth element. So we will be looking into the guidance for the month of June, and you can look into this reading either by your sun sign, your moon sign, or your rising sign, and it will be resonating with you if you are here at this reading. So we will pull out some cards and we will start the reading. Okay, so what is that my dear Capricorns can expect in the month of June? What is that they can expect in the month of June? Thank you. Yes. Okay. So we have this card first. It says practicality. Wow. You are getting practical. And you are practical, by the way, by nature. But there is something that is growing within you. And it is quite beautiful that in all the readings that I've done so far of all the signs, there is some clarity, there is some intuition, there is some things that are growing within them, and it is the case for you as well, my dear Capricorns. So we have another card, a message in a bottle. 15, that makes 6, so something related to love. 6 number represents love as well. For some of you, not many of you will resonate with this. Fair woman. Dealings or relationship with a woman with blonde, grey, or white hair. Okay. We have the astral house. Success. Wow. That just flew away. You are definitely rising. Just as it takes a back and goes forward. Moon changes in your life. Wow. We will keep it here. Yes. We have the last card, says Lily. Spiritual love. Definitely. There is something that is growing within you. And although you are a practical person, but there is still emotions that my dear Capricorns have in their self. And this is something that you are growing within you. There is some form of awakening, spiritual awakening that is being done to you, and it is quite rapidly. You will feel the sudden shift in you, that you are feeling much more spiritual. You are picking upon the synchronicities and the signs that the divine sends, and maybe you are resonating with them and trying to take the message, the hidden message, that these signs or these synchronicities or maybe these encounters that you are experiencing, to comprehend what they are trying to say to you. So you are getting spiritual in this month. Wow. So we have this card. This grabbed my attention, and I will look for more guidance for my dear Capricorns that they have in store in the month of June. Thank you. Okay. We need to cover it a bit. We have the coins, the King of Pentacles. Okay. Starting off with the King of Pentacles and the Empress. The Lovers. See, I was picking up for some of you in the start that this is something related to love. We have 6 number here. And for most of you now, I'm picking up that there is something related to love. You may be feeling love for yourself. You may be feeling a sense of compassion within you for someone particularly that you have in your mind. We have 7 of Cups. Okay. So maybe you have different choices that you are looking upon. 7 of Cups is a card of choices. We have 6 of Swords. Okay. Okay. So what the cards are saying. Hmm. Okay, so my dear Capricorns, I'm picking up that there is something that you will be uh, coming to a person, a feminine person, exactly, to be precise, because this is a woman here, someone you know, someone, or maybe from your family, maybe your work, maybe your contacts, someone you know, and she will be helping you with something that will help you, tap into the things and the spiritual love. She will be the one that will be helping you find this love, and you will be feeling that there is a sudden change that you feel within you. So I definitely see if this is not a gender specified energy, but you can switch the roles as you like. But there is someone coming in for you in the month of June. I definitely see someone romantically coming in, or maybe someone coming in to just, this woman here is looking at her reflection. Maybe someone who will mirror you, a soulmate, or maybe a twin flame, or someone whom you can, feel that there is so many similarities between you, or maybe they help you look into something that, I am also looking upon the reflection that this woman is looking onto. Seems like a shadow. So maybe there is something that you need to work upon. These are your shadows which you haven't looked upon, and you are looking into them by the coming of this person in your life, and she's opening these uh, rapid changes in your life, and it can be around this new moon, and it is about to happen now in the month of June as well. So you can expect this person to coming in the month of June, and it can be in the midweek of the June. Yes, and she will be someone who will be helping you to not look out for the options anymore, and you will be straight away, this person is like trying to, mishandle this rooster. This is something you will be blocking upon the choices that you have, or the things that you have, that you were unable to choose from, and now you will have your right. I You will have your, sorry, you will have it right in front of you, that yes, this is the one who can help me to have that success, and to feel connectivity with spiritual self, and also the outer world. There is something you changing deeply within you while it is normal outside. And we have this again, this lady here, and she is holding this wand, and this reminds me of the high priestess. So there is something that is still to be looking for. There's something that still needs searching, still needs research, and maybe you are researching upon things related to your work, and you are unable to find, you have so many things that you are researching upon, maybe on something. But also I'm looking up at this figure, she has her eyes closed, so maybe there is something. And again we have the high priestess, so something hidden, which will come into light to you in this month, and it will be by the coming of this person in your life, which will give you clarity in regards of anything, and your relationships, your work, your finances, anything, uh, as per your situation. And you will be feeling that all the other options are not necessary, but this is the option that I need to work upon, or maybe this is the person I need to look upon. And you will be grabbing that person straight away, or that situation straight away, and trying to take control of it in a certain way. If this is a situation related to work, so you are getting control of it instantly. Or if this is a person coming in, you feeling so connected to them, and so similarities uh, that you share with each other, that you instantly make a connection with them, a connection which feels, something that is unconventional, because it is someone whom you have, only dreamt of to have a connection with. Yes, that is so beautiful. So, last but not the least, we will look out for one guidance card that we have for my dear Capricorns. in the month of June. Thank you. Speak up. Okay. The lion is roaring. Okay. So there is something, my dear Capricorns, that the message is conveying here is that communicate whatever thoughts that you have in your mind, whatever things that you need to feel, you feel like they need to be addressed or they need to be spoken out, you need to speak them in this month particularly, and you will feel as if whatever you were holding back was something that was not really bad to be spoken about, and you will see eventually that how it is working in your favor. And we have the lovers card highlighting your reading, so definitely this is something you will love talking about, you will love speaking about. And maybe you are holding it back due to some sort of doubts, or maybe you have the shadow right here to heal. And as soon as you heal this shadow, you need to speak up, to communicate well in order to reach a position where you feel like you are being uh, heard. Yes. So this is exactly where I see you at your reading. I hope it resonates with you, and if it does, please like, subscribe, and follow my channel. And I will see you in your next reading. Till then, bye bye.